Today we're making this decorative baby shower bunting. Materials: A4 card, 13 feet of twine, scissors, 1 pack of 7.5 centimetre wooden pegs. First, print the onesie flags that have the letters you need to form the desired text. Then, cut them out. Now we're going to hang each flag with 2 pegs, leaving a gap of about 4 fingers between each flag. I love the result! Now it's your turn, give it a try. And don't forget to leave your comments below. And for more ideas, subscribe to our channel.